नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावना नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुष पूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसुः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः न तु सा वाग्यता देवी तस्य पत्नी पतिव्रता उपोषितास्मीति रविं तस्मिन् दृष्टे ददर्श च समागम्य यथान्यायं दम्पती तौ यथाविधि विष्णोः पूजादिकं सर्वं कृतवन्तौ द्विजोत्तमा कालेन गच्छता राजा ममारासौ सपत्नजित् अन्वारुरोह तन्देवी चितास्थं भूपतिं पतिं स तु तेन अपचारेण श्वा जज्ञे वसुधाधिपः उपोषितेन पाषण्डसल्लापो यत्कृतो अभवत् सा तु जातिस्मरा जज्ञे काशीराजसुता शुभा सर्वविज्ञानसम्पूर्णा सर्वलक्षणपूजिता. Parashara is in the middle of saying a story to Maitreya about the problems of having a conversation or interaction with a Pashandi, a person who does not follow or who is contradictory to Vedas. So he is talking about the story of there was once a king called Shatadhanu. His wife's name was Shaivya. They both were extremely religious and they would worship Vishnu at every day. Once they were going through Upavasam on a Kritika Paurnami day, Kartika Masa Paurnami. So during that time, they went to the Ganga waters, they took a dip and then came out. The king saw a Pashandi approaching. He was the friend of the king's guru. Chapacharyasya Sakha Saha. So Tad Gauravat, because of showing honor to him, he decided to sit and talk with him. Whereas the Patni, the wife Shaivya, she, even though she was devoted to her husband, still she did not engage in a conversation with this person. She said, Uposhita asmi, I am now fasting. So she kept on looking at the sun, and that was the Prayashchittam said before also. So Ravim Dadarsha, she kept on seeing only the sun. And then after all that, they came back, did puja. Gachata Kalena, as time went by, the king died. She and the wooden katta. So she also did sati along with her husband on the funeral. And the next janma for her, she was born as a Kashi Raja Suta, the daughter of the king of Kashi. And she remembered her earlier janma. Whereas the king was born as a dog because of his the mistake, the dosham that he did before, the crime, what he did before, that is talking with the Pashanda. Okay, so Sa tu jati smara jagne Kashi Rajasuta Shubha Sarva Vijnana Sampurna Sarva Lakshana Pujita. We stopped with this. Now let's see further how the story goes. Tam pita dhatukamaha abhut varaya vinivaritaha tayaiva Tanvya Virataha Vivaha Arambataha Nripaha. So Pita, the father, wanted to, Kashi Raja, the king of Kashi, wanted to give her as a bride to some groom. So Tam Dhatukamaha Varaya Dhatukamaha Abhut. So Pita, the father, became desirous of giving the daughter to someone, Varaya, some proper good groom. But then Vinivaritaha, Taya eva Tanvya Saha Nripaha Vivaha Arambataha Virataha Vinivaritaha Virataha cha. So the king, by the girl itself, that is this Shaivya who was reborn as the king's daughter, as Kashi Raja's daughter, the king was stopped, Vinivaritaha, he was stopped by that lady, and Vivaha Arambhataha Virataha, he also stopped from starting the arrangements for her marriage. Why? Because she saw Tataha sa divyaya drishtya drishtva shwanam nijam patim vidishakhyam puram gatva tadavastham dadarshatam. She, with her jnana drishti, she saw that she had a divine sight, Jati Smarasa iti karanat. She also realized that her husband of the earlier Janma was born as a dog. So she decided to go and remind him about how he was before and all that. So tataha, then sa divyaya drishtya, with her divine sight, nijam patim shwanam drishtva, seeing that her husband of the previous birth was born as a dog. Vidishakhyam puram gatva, she went to the city called Vidisha. Tadavastham tam dadarsha, she also saw him in that state of a dog. Tam drishtva mahabhagam shvabhutam tu patim tatha dadau tasmai vara aharam satkara pravanam shubha. Tam mahabhagam shvabhutam patim tatha drishtva, seeing that husband who has now become a dog but who was a great soul before all of this. So tatha drishtva, seeing him in such a state, tasmai vara aharam satkara pravanam cha shubha sa dadau. This lady, who was a very auspicious or beautiful lady, vara aharam dadau, she gave him tasmai shwanam to that dog, to her husband. She only thought of him as a husband, not as a dog. So to him she gave vara aharam, great food, and satkara pravanam, she also gave him a great respect. Satkaram is respect, or atiti satkarangrolli, atiti puja ityadikam, with the pravanam nama, with humility, with great respect, she spoke to him and gave him good food also. Bhunjan dattam taya saha annam atimrishtam abhipsitam swajati lalitam kurvan bahuchatu chakara. Why? Being a dog, what he did was, having received this good food, right? Bhunjan dattam bhunjan, taya dattam bhunjan, eating the food that she gave. What did that dog do? Annam atimrishtam abhipsitam saha bhunjan, as he was eating the food that was atimrishtam, mrishtam, which was very sweet or which was very good, delicate food that was given to him. Abhipsitam, which also he liked very much. Abhipsitam atimrishtam dattaya dattam annam bhunjan, as he was eating the food that was given by her, which was atimrishtam, which was also very sweet, delicate, abhipsitam, which was what he desired, which he liked. Eating that food, what did he do? Swajati lalitam bahu kurvan chatu chakara. He started, see, when a dog eats something which it really likes, it will start wagging its tail, looking very sweetly towards the owner who gives the food, all that, that which is tannudaya jadikku ugandadana vishayangal, adudha. So swajati lalitam, the actions that are conducive to the species that he belongs to, which is a dog. So he started expressing his chatu chakara. Chatu chakara nama chatu iti. He started expressing gestures and actions and his happiness in a manner which is appropriate to his species. So swajati lalitam kurvan, நாய் வாலாட்டுறது அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் அந்த திருப்பிண்டு வயத்தை காமிக்கிறது, all those things. Ativa vridita bala kurvata chatutena sa pranamapurvam aha idam daitam tam kuyonijam. Ativa vridita bala. This girl became very ashamed to see him acting in such a manner. Tena chatu kurvata. So chatu kurvata tena. Ativa vridita sa bala. That girl being very ashamed upon seeing him who was behaving in such a manner, pranama purvam tam kuyonijam daitam idam aha. Pranama purvam, bowing reverently to him, she spoke to her husband Daitam, to her beloved, who was now born in a kuyoni, who was now born in a degraded janma. Smaryatam tan maharaja dakshinya lalitam tvaya yenashva yonimapannaha mama chatukaraha bhavan. Smaryatam tat maharaja. Hey maharaja, O king, smaryatam. Remember, try to remember somehow. Dakshinya lalitam tvaya. येन श्वयो येन श्वयोनिम् आपन्नः भवान् मम चाटुकारः असि तादृशं तव त्वया कृतं दाक्षिण्यललितं स्मर्यताम्. Try to recall the action that you showed, the dakshinyam that you showed. Dakshinyam is like a politeness, unnecessarily giving attention to something which did not deserve an attention also. So dakshinya lalitam, try to recollect the politeness that you showed towards someone, because of which yena dakshinya lalitena, because of that unnecessary or ill-placed, misplaced attention, because of that misplaced attention towards a pashanti, shvayonim idanim apannaha, you have been born as a dog right now, and mama chatukaraha bhavan, you are trying to please me right now. Chatu also means trying to taja பண்றதுன்னு அர்த்தம். என்ன போய் தாஜா பண்றீங்களே எப்படி அப்படிங்க. पाषण्डिनं समाभाष्य तीर्थस्नानाद् अनन्तरं प्राप्तः असि कुत्सितां योनिं किं न स्मरसि तत्प्रभो. हे प्रभो, तीर्थस्नानाद् अनन्तरं, after taking a bath in the तीर्थम, in the sacred river Ganga, पाषण्डिनं समाभाष्य, having spoken to the Pashandi, kutsitam yonim praptaha asi, you have now been condemned to this kind of a yoni, this kind of a birth, kutsita, which is criticizable. Kim na smarasi, don't you remember all of these things? Iti sa vadati. Shri Parashara uvacha taya evam smarite tasmin purvajati krite tada dadhyau chiram atha avapa nirvedam ati durlabham. Taya evam smarite tasmin purvajati krite tasmin smarite sati. When the king was thus reminded by her, taya, about what happened in his earlier janma, purva jati, jati nama atra janma, purva janmani kritam taya smaritam, tadrisha raja idanim chiram dadhyau. He started thinking for a long time, having been reminded about his earlier birth. The king then started thinking, யோசிப்பால ஒரு தடவை, என்னடா அது இவ வந்து இப்படி பேசுறாளேன்னு. ஸோ சிரம் தத்யவ், he sat down and thought for a long time. அத அதி துர்லபம் நிர்வேதம் அவாப, he then attained a nirveda. Nirveda is dejection, which is or in the form of nirvedam nale, it is also a kind of humiliation. He thought about what sort of a behavior, what sort of a janma he had before, and what behavior led to this kind of a janma right now. And so he became extremely dejected. And ati durlabham, this nirvedangarது not dejected na, not exactly இதுன்னு இல்லை, வைராக்கியம்ங்கிறது தான் நிர்வேதம். நிர்வேதம் வந்து in சாகித்யம் we take this as the Sai Bhava for Shantarasam. So nirveda is more like a disgust or a deep felt regret for the condition that you are in. So that is called nirveda here. So ati durlabham nirvedam avapa, he got a kind of a extreme nirveda, which is very difficult for people to attain. Just because someone comes and tells you, you were such a great person before and now you are born a dog because of the actions that you performed. Not everybody will get into this moksham, will get dejected by the world and go into dhyanam. Whereas this, even though he was a dog, he thought about his earlier actions and decided to atone for it. So nirvinna chittasya tataha nirgamya nagarad bahihi marut prapatanam krutva shargalim yonim agataha. Shargaliya shargaliya shargali da shrigalasya idam shargali yoni. Nirvinna chittaha saha tasya chittam tu nirvinnam abhut. Nirvinnam nama, he became completely vairagya yuktaha saha. So he detached, with a detached mind, nagarat bahihi nirgamya, he left the city and went out. And then marut prapatanam kritva. Marut nama atra prana prapatanam, prana tyagam kritva. He committed suicide, or he just yogena, it is possible, you know, you இந்த அது என்ன வடநோக்கி இருத்தல்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா தமிழ்ல கூட. யூ ஃபேஸ் த நார்த் அண்ட் பிராயோபவேஷேன தத்ர தியானே நிமக்னஹ பூத்வா அனசனம் கிருத்வா, விதவுட் ஈவன் ஹேவிங் ஈட்டிங், விதவுட் ஹேவிங் ஃபுட், நாட் ஈட்டிங், and then sitting down and meditating, you can let go of your life in the process of yoga. So that is what he did here. So as a dog, nirvinna chittaha, he became detached, and nagarat bahihi nirgamya, he immediately went out of the city, and marut prapatanam kritva, he let go of his life. Then he was born as a Shrigala jackal. So Shargalim yonim agataha, he came to the womb of a jackal. Sapi dvitiye samprapte. So the king is going to go through the different births here. Sapi द्वितीये संप्राप्ते वीक्ष्य दिव्येन चक्षुषा ज्ञात्वा श्रृगालं तं द्रष्टुं ययौ कोलाहलं गिरिम्. So sa api, the Kashiraja Sutta, the girl, द्वितीये संप्राप्ते दिव्येन चक्षुषा, द्वितीये संप्राप्ते, when the second janma had happened for the king, दिव्येन चक्षुषा वीक्ष्य, she saw that through her divine द्वितीये संप्राप्ते ngarche, you can take it as in the following year, in the second year. So during the second year, he became tam shrigalam jnatva. Divyena chakshusha vikshya, she saw with her divine eyesight, and tam shrigalam jnatva, understanding that he was a jackal right now, she went to see him. She went to Kolahala Giri, a mountain called Kolahala, to find him, to see him. Tatrapi drishtva tam praha shargalim yonim agatam bhartaramapi charvangi tanaya Prithvikshitaha. So Prithvikshitaha Tanaya, the daughter of the king of Kashi Raja, the girl Shaivya who was reborn, she tatrapi, even in the mountain Kolahala, tam drishtva shargalim yonim agatam tam drishtva, having seen that he had attained this, he was disguised, the king was disguised as a jackal, that is, he had been born as a jackal. Bhartaram drishtva charvangi praha, this beautiful lady spoke to her husband who had now attained the form of a jackal. Api smarasi Rajendra shvayonisthasya yanmaya proktam te purvacharitam pashandalapa samshrayam. Do you remember what I told you when you were in your previous birth of a dog? Shvayonisthasya tava te purvacharitam, the earlier janma, the janma before that of a dog. Yat maya uktam, yat maya proktam, what I told you about Pashanda Sallapa Samshrayam, about the Samshrayam, the result of the circumstance. Samshrayam can be the prasanga, the circumstance of conversing with a Pashanda. Do you remember that which I told you when you were a dog? Hey Rajendra, O king. She, for her, in her mind, she only sees of him as the king, her husband, even though he is now in a different form, whether it is a dog or a jackal, etc. Punastaya uktam saha jnatva satyam satyamatam varaha kalena sa niraharaha tatyaja swam kalevaram. In this jackal body also, he remembered what she said before. Punaha taya uktam saha, taya uktam satyam, saha satyavatam varaha jnatva, that king who was the best among the truth seekers or truthful people, satyavatam varaha saha raja. So he understood what was spoken by the lady before. So he also knew that that was the truth. That is why he regretted his actions and he was able to give up his life and get on to a next better life. See, if you do not think that that is true, if you think இதெல்லாம் சும்மா ஹம்பக் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சோம்னா, then there is no point in it. He saw the truth behind the words that she said. So taya uktam satyam jnatva, having understood that it was the truth, kalena, as time went by, saha niraharaha bhutva, without having any food, swam kalevaram tatyaja, he left his body. Bhuyaha tataha vrikaha jagne. Vrikaha here is a wolf. So he was then born as a wolf. Gatva tam nirjane vane smarayamasa bhartaram purvavrittam anindita. Anindita, the lady who cannot be faulted at all. She continuously, with her divine eyesight, she saw where he was born again. Vrikaha jagne tata tam nirjane vane tatra gatva. She went to him, tam gatva. She went to her husband in a forest where there were no people at all. She was very brave that way. And purva vrittam bhartaram smarayamasa. Nijanta. Tasmat tatra dvikarmakam vartate. So purva vrittam bhartaram smarayamasa. She reminded her husband about the earlier janma or earlier happenings. Natvam ruko mahabhaga raja shatadanur bhavan. Shva bhutva tvam shrigalo abhuhu vrikatvam sampratam gataha. Enlists all the janmas that he had taken before. You are the king Shatadhanuhu. Natvam vrikaha. Hey Mahabhaga. Natvam vrikaha. You are not a wolf. Bhavan Shatadhanuhu. You are the king Shatadhanu. Shva bhutva. You first became a dog. Tvam shrigalaha abhuhu. You then became a jackal. Look at the usage of the verbs here. Vrikatvam sampratam gataha. Now you have become a wolf. Now you have taken on the body of a wolf. Smaritena yada tyaktaha tena atma gridhratam gataha apapa sa punaschainam bodhayamasa bhavini. This is the fourth janma here. So smaritena yada saha smaritena yada tyaktaha. Okay. So smaritena tena yada tyaktaha tada atma gridhratam gataha. Yada atma gridhratam gataha tada sa punaha sa apapa bhavini punaha enam bodhayamasa. இதெல்லாம் நல்ல அன்வய பிரதிபதார்த்தம் எக்ஸசைஸ் இதெல்லாம். So smaritena yada, because the story as such is very simple, the words are very simple. How you put everything together, visheshana vishesha bhava and the padam twa padam lyap adalathiyum chetu போட்டு ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் பண்றது இருக்கு பாருங்க. That is a brilliant exercise. புராணங்கள்ல that's what it increases the Sanskrit knowledge that way. அதுவும் ஒரு anushangika prayojanam. So smaritena tena, being reminded by her. So taya smaritena tena ragnya athava vrikena vrikarupena ragnya tyaktaha atma gridhratam gataha. यदा आत्मा त्यक्तः. இப்படி போட்டுக்கணும். So ஆத்மா யதா त्यक्तःங்கிறச்சு ஆத்மா here refers to களைவரம் யதா त्यक्तம். When he had let go of his body, when being reminded, when his body was let go by him who was reminded by her, what happened? Gridhratam gataha. When he attained the form of a vulture or an eagle, she again came back to him. Sa apapa, one who is without any faultless person, and she was also bhavini. Bhavini ngarche, someone who has that bhavam in her mind, who constantly only thinks about him and wants to do good for him. So bhavini sa punaha enam bodhayamasa. She came back to tell him about his janma. Narendra smaryatam atma hi alam te gridhra cheshtaya pashandalapajatoyam dosho yad gridhratam gataha. Hey Narendra, O king, atma smaryatam. Remember what you did. Remember about your soul, how much it has traversed through bodies. Alam te gridra cheshtaya, enough of these actions like a vulture. Pashanda alapa jataha ayam doshaha yat gritratam gataha. This fault is because of having spoken to that Pashanda, which is why you have now become a gridra. You have now attained the form of an eagle. Tataha kakatvam samanantara janmani uvacha tanvi bhartaram upalabhya atma yogataha. Atma yogataha, because of her powers. She again, the Raja was next born as a cow. Tataha kakatvam apannam. The king who was born as a crow, samanantara janmani, in the next janma, the princess became aware of that because of her powers. So Tanvi Atmayogataha Bhartaram Upalabhya, having recognized him through her divine powers, Uvacha, she spoke to him in the Janma of a crow. Ashesha Bhubhritaha Purvam Vashya Yasmai Balim Daduhu Satvam Kakatvam Apannaha Jataha Adya Bali Bhuk Prabho. Hey Prabho, you who used to eat all the bali that was given to you by all of the kings. Ashesha Bhubhritaha Vashyaha Ashesha Bhubhritaha Bhubritau Bhubhritaha Prathama Ekavachanam. Sorry, Prathama Bahuvachanam. Yasmai Balim Daduhu Purvam in your as a king, when all of the other kings used to come and give you bali, being under your control, Vashyaha, they were controlled by you, and they came and offered you offerings as a tribute. When they came and gave you tribute in the form of bali, that is also called bali, and for the bali that we give for a kaka, for a crow, is also called bali. It's a kind of offering. So all of the kings in your earlier janma being controlled by you, being under your rule, they came and gave you offerings. Sahatvam, the same you have now become a crow. Kakatvam apannaha adya balibuk jataha. You have become a person who goes and takes the offering. Not the other way around. They have not come and given you the offering. Instead, you go to the place where the offering is placed and you go and eat that offering. Evameva cha kakatve smaritasya puratanam tatyaja bhupatihi pranana mayuratvam avapacha. Evameva, in the same manner, when he was reminded about his earlier janma, puratanam smaritasya tasya kakatve smaritasya kakatve evameva cha kakatve sati puratanam smaritasya tasya. Sorry. அதை பற்றிலாம் அன்வயம்லாம் உதைக்குங்க. ஏவமேவ in this following manner என்னாருது? ஏவமேவ புராதனம் ஸ்மாரிதஸ்ய காக்கத்வே சதி சஹா பூபதிஹி. When he was in the state of a crow and when he was reminded about his earlier janma, that king pranan tatyaja, he left his life, and mayuratvam avapacha, he also became a peacock after this. Mayuratve tataha savai chakara anugatim shubha dattaif pratikshanam bhojyaihi bala tajjati bhojanaihi. Tataha, again, when he had become a peacock, the princess anugatim chakara, she followed him, she followed the peacock, and pratikshanam dattaihi bhojyaihi tajjati bhojanaihi dattaihi bhojyaihi bala pratikshanam anugatim chakara. She followed him constantly when pratikshanam, by giving him tajjati bhojanaihi, foods which are bhojyam, which is fit to be eaten by that particular species, that is mayura. Those food which is conducive or appropriate for a peacock to eat, she followed the peacock even in this janma. She followed her husband even when he is a peacock. Anugatim chakara. Now this is when he transforms. This is the last janma. ततश्चु जनकः राजा वाजिमेधं महाक्रतुं चकार तस्य अवभृते स्नापयामास तं तदा. ततः at that point of time or during that time illana janakaha raja. So janakaha raja here, janakangaradu is not the name, it is the father. So Kashi Raja. Kashi Raja performed a Ashwamedha Yaga. Vaji Medham Mahakratum. He performed a great sacrifice called Ashwamedha Yaga. Tasya Avabhrite. So Mahakratum Vaji Medham Chakara. Tasya Avabhrite. Avabhrita Snanam Nama. At the end, when everything is done, you do a snanam, which is called an avabhrita snanam, signifying the end of the vratam. That you have to adhere to a lot of conditions until the entire sacrifice is finished. So, tasya avabhrite. At the end of it, you go and do an avabhrita snanam, signifying the end of the rituals and the vow. Okay. So, tasya ashwamedhasya avabhrita snane tam tada snapayamasa tam atra mayurattvamapannam rajanam snapayamasa. So he also ensured that the mayura, the king who is now in the form of a peacock, he gave a bath to him also. Sasnau swayam cha tanvangi smarayamasa chapi tam. She also, the Shaivya, Kashiraja Suta, she also swayam sasnau, she took a bath herself and then reminded Shatadanu tam smarayamasa chapi. She also reminded the king by saying yatha asau parthivaha shwa shrigaladi yonim jagraha. So she reminded him of all of the different births that he had taken in the form of a dog, jackal, wolf, adukaprom eagle, இல்ல எத்தனை ஏதாவது
டோட்டலா 7 ஆயிடுது.
இல்லையா?
வரப்போகுது.
ஆமா, அதான் கிருத்ர, ஈகிள், அதுக்கப்புறம் காக்க, மயூர, 7 ஆயிடுத்து. 8வது
ராஜாவா பிறந்தா 7.
இல்ல ராஜாவா பிறக்கிறது தான் 8. ஏன்னா ஸ்வ ஸ்ருகாலஹா பிருகஹா கிருத்ரஹா 4, பறவையா 3, இல்லையே கிருத்ரஹா 4. ஆமா கரெக்ட் தான். காக்கஹா மயூரஹா, ரைட், யூர் ரைட். 7வது ஜன்மாவில் தான் இதுவா வர்றார்.
அந்த புழுல இருந்து ராஜாவா மாறின கதை அது இது இல்லையா? அது வேற. புழுல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு ராஜாவா மாறி ஒரு கதை ஒண்ணு இருக்கும்.
அப்படியா? எனக்கு தெரியல அது. So yatha asau shvashrigaladi yonim jagraha parthivaha smrita janma kramaha saha atha tatyaja swa kalevaram jagnye saha janakasyaiva putraha asau sumahatmanaha. இங்க வந்து இந்த காஷி ராஜான்னு எடுத்துக்க கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அந்த ஜனகங்கிறதுக்கு வந்து வேற ஒரு ராஜான்னு தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். ஆனா எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன்ல ஜனகான்னு போட்டிருக்காரு. ஒரு நிமிஷம் வியாக்கியானத்தை பார்த்துடுறேன். ஏன்னா அவருக்கே பிறந்துட்டா அப்புறம் சரியா வராதேன்னு பார்க்குறேன். வரேன்.
அவளுக்கு தம்பியா போயிடுவார்.
அதனால்தான் அந்த இடத்துல வந்து ஸ்மரியதாம் ஸ்ரீதர சுவாமி அதை பெருசா ஒன்றும் சொல்லலை.
ஹிந்தியில ஜனகர்ன்ற ராஜான்னு மாதிரி சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஜனகர்ங்கிற ராஜான் தான் எனக்கு ஞாபகம்.
ராஜா ஜனக்னே அஸ்வமேத நாமக் அப்படிங்கிறான்.
அது பெட்டர், அதுதான் பெட்டர். அப்ப அஸ்வமேத யாகம் பண்ணது ராஜா ஜனகருங்கிற ராஜா பண்ணார், அது பேர்னு எடுத்துக்கிறது தான் பெட்டர். சரி, அப்போ அந்த ராஜா ஜனகருக்கு யாரு அஸ்வமேத யாகம் பண்ணாரோ அந்த அஸ்வமேத யாகம் பண்ண ராஜாவுக்கே இவர் பிள்ளையாக பிறந்தார். அதனால்தான் வந்து பின்னாடி அஸ்வமேத யாகத்தினுடைய ஒரு மகிமையும் கூறப்பட்டிருக்குன்னு சொல்லி முடிக்கிறார் அந்த இடத்துல. So smrita janma kramaha saha atha saha and raja smrita janma kramaha தன்னுடைய ஜன்மா ஞாபகம் வந்து ஸ்வ களையவரம் தத்யாஜ அந்த மயில் ரூபத் அதாவது he remembered his earlier janma and left his body of peacock and then janakasyaiva putraha asau sumahatmanaha jagне. He was born as the son of Janaka himself. ततः सा पितरं तन्वी विवाहार्थम् अचोदयत् स चापि कारयामास तस्याः राजा स्वयंवरम्. So तस्याः स्वयंवरं कारयामास सः राजा. She reminded her father about vivahartam achodayat. She prompted her father to initiate the proceedings. So and then the king also tasyaha swayamvaram karayamasa. He also arranged for a swayamvara for her. स्वयंवरे कृते सा तं साम्प्रतं पतिम् आत्मनः वरयामास भूयोपि भर्तृभावेन भामिनी. Bhamini, that beautiful lady, Shaivya, स्वयंवरे कृते, when the swayamvara was organized, tam atmanah patim sampraptam varayama sampraptam, the girl, the boy who had come, Janaka's son who had now come, Shatadhanu, who was in the form of Janaka's son right now, who had come there, she varayamasa, she chose him as her pati, atmanah patim bhartrbhavena, her former pati, who was now here as a vara, as a groom. She chose him as her husband right now. இது மாதிரி பவபூர்வ பத்னி சதி எப்படி பரமேஸ்வரா comes and chooses பார்வதி. बुभुजे च तया सार्धं संभोगान् नृपनन्दनः पितरि उपरते राज्यं विदेहेषु चकार सः. So तया सार्धं नृपनन्दनः, the king's son, Nripanandanaha, the king's son, he is still the son, prince. So the prince enjoyed all kinds of happiness, sambhogan, taya sardham, along with her. And Pitari Uparate, when his father died, Videheshu Rajyam Chakara Saha, Videha Raja Janakaha. So when his father had passed away, he ruled the kingdom of Videhas. Yaja Yajnam Subahun, he performed a lot of sacrifices. Dadau Danani cha Arthinam, he also gave Danam, charity to those people who were deserving, who came and asked for charity. Arthinam. Putran Utpadayamasa, he gave birth to many children, or was responsible for the creation of the life of many children. Yuyudhe Saha Aribihi, he also fought with many enemies. Rajyam bhuktva yathanyayam palayitva vasundharam tatyaja sapriyan pranan sangrame dharmataha nripaha. Rajyam bhuktva yathanyayam, according to rules he enjoyed the kingdom with adada asakta san ityeva atra. So he did not have any attachment and he enjoyed the kingdom as is given by the rules. Vasundharam palayitva, having protected the earth, Priyan Pranana Tatyaja, he let go of his life, his dear life, in the battle according to dharma, swadharmam parivalya iti. Tataha chitastham tam bhuyaha bhartaram sas shubhekshana anvaruroha vidhivat yathapurvam mudanvita. She also was very happy, the lady Shaivya, wife, the queen, Shubha Ikshana, one whose sight is very auspicious. She recognized her husband all through the 6 lives, and then her eyes were always Shubha Ikshanam Nama Tatra Dharma Chintanameva Tasyaha Manasi Asititi. So Sa Shubhekshana Mudanvita, with great happiness, Bhuyaha, again, Yatha Purvam, just as before, Vidhivat, according to the rules, Bhartaram, Chitastham Bhartaram, Anvaruroha, she followed her husband and climbed the funeral pyre along with her husband. Tataha avapa taya sardham rajaputriya saparthivaha aindran atityavai lokan prapa tada akshayan. Taya sardham, along with that Rajaputri, with that princess Parthivaha, the king, attained worlds which were beyond the Swargalokam. So Aindran Lokan Atitya, having crossed the worlds which belong to Indra, which is Swargalokam. And then Akshayana Lokana Prapa. He attained worlds which cannot be destroyed. That can be destroyed only at the end. So when you look at the Kalpam, the destruction of 3 worlds happen during every Kalpam and it is again created. All the people in the Swargaloka move to actually all the people in Janalokam move to Tapalokam because they cannot stand the heat of the destruction of the 3 worlds. So Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tadeva Tavadeva Tatra it is being recreated at every Kalpam. It is only during a Mahakalpam that everything else is destroyed. So he reached lokas which are Akshaya, which do not have a destruction. Swarga Akshayatvam Atulam Dampatyam Ati Durlabham Praptam Punyaphalam Prapya Samshuddhim Tam Dvijottama. Hey Dvijottama, Punyaphalam Praptam Samshuddhim Prapya Punyaphalam Praptam Asit. Swarga Akshayatvam, not getting distracted. எப்படி சொல்றது, அதாவது ஸ்வர்க அக்ஷயத்வம், he was not இதெல்லாம் these are the qualities that he attained. That's what is being said here, இல்லையா? So ஸ்வர்க அக்ஷயத்வம், he got பார்க்குறேன். Okay. He went to lokas, akshayan lokan prapa samshuddhim prapya, tam samshuddhim prapya, having attained the ultimate purification of going through 6 janmas and attaining this purified janma. After that, all of these results were also got by him, which is swarga akshayatvam. Where all his desires were, he got an akshayatvam, atulam, dampatyam, ati durlabham. Idellathyum you take it for dampatyam. He attained a oneness with his wife, dampatyam, which is the togetherness which was unequaled, atulam, and swarga akshayam. It was also a happiness which was eternal. And could not be destroyed when Swarga was destroyed. Swarge Akshayatva. Even if Swarga is destroyed, he got a happiness which was not destroyed, and Ati Durlabham, which is also very difficult to attain. Tadrisham Punyapalam Praptam Tena Tam Samshuddhim Samprapya Etadrisham Punyaphalam Praptam. Abdin Taniya Adutundala. एषः पाषण्डसम्भाषात् दोषः प्रोक्तः मया द्विज तथा अश्वमेध अवभृत स्नान माहात्म्यम एव च. हे द्विज, now we go to Maitreya. So Parashara tells Maitreya that hey Dvijottama, Dvija, this is the fault that arises, this is the sin that arises, doshaha, that arises out of conversing with a Pashanda. Pashanda sambhashate eshaha doshaha maya proktaha. I have told you about it. Also, in the process, tatha Ashwamedha Avabhrita Snana Mahatmyam api proktaha. So I have also spoken to you about the greatness of Ashwamedha Yagam and the greatness of taking a bath during the Avabhrita Snanam. That is why when the Yajamana takes an Avabhrita Snanam, everybody who are witnesses will also dip at the same time during that Avabhrita Snanam to attain the punyam from that. Tasmat, I'll just take a few more minutes and finish this amsha because there are just a couple of shlokas. Tasmat pashandibihi papaihi alapas parshanam tyajet visheshataha kriyakale yajnadau chapi dikshitaha. Tasmat, hence, from this story we understand that we should try to avoid alapa, conversations, parshanam, touching, with the sinners like Pashandi, like people who are against Vedas. Visheshataha, in particular, especially during Yajnadau Kriyakale Dikshitaha Chet Tyajet. Especially when we have taken a vow, Diksha Kritaschet, Dikshitaha, when during sacrifices and during actions that we perform, not only Yaga, Yajna, etc., even also during Vratacharana. Kriya hanihi grihe yasya masamekam prajayate tasya avalokanaat suryam pashyeta matiman naraha. This is like a repeat of the earlier, just as a conclusion here, some upasamharartham. So yasya grihe, in whose house masam ekam kriyahanihi prajayate, for 1 month nobody does any actions which are prescribed in the Vedas, then tasya avalokanat, when you chance upon such a person, matiman naraha suryam pashyeta, an intelligent person should look at the sun for purification. Kim punaha yaistu santyakta trayi sarvatmana dvija pashanda bojibihi papaihi veda vada virodhibihi. So what to say, if even you look at a person who has not done for 1 month, then what to say of eating etc. with the person who is completely contradictory to the Vedas and who are sinners. So kim punaha pashanda bojibihi, one who enjoys with the pashandas, and papaihi, they perform papa, veda vada virodhibihi, those who are contradictory, virodhi, they are against the arguments that are posed in the Vedas. So sarvatmana trayi santyakta, completely they have let go of Vedas, then what to say of them? Saha alapastu samsargaha saha asyacha atipapini pashandibihi duracharaihi tasmat tan parivarjayet. Pashandibihi duracharaihi saha alapaha, conversing with the people who have bad conducts and who are against the Vedas. Samsargaha, a contact with them. Saha asya, sitting down with them in a same asanam, is atipapini, is extremely sinful. Tasmat, hence tan parivarjayet, one should avoid them completely. Pashandinaha vikarmasthana vaidala vratikana shathana haitukana baka vrittimscha vangmatrenapi na archayet. One should not praise, sorry, நான் எழுதவே இல்லையா, okay. One should not praise a person. Let me, நான் புக்கே ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன், ஏன்னா இங்கே வந்து ஐ forgot to include that in this. பாஷண்டினஹா விகர்மஸ்தான், இந்த 100th ஸ்லோகா இதில் பாஷண்டினஹா விகர்மஸ்தான் வைடால விரதிகான ஷட்டான் ஹைதுகான வக விருத்திம்ஸ்ச வாங்மாத்ரேனாபி ந அர்ச்சயேத். We should not praise or show our respect towards pashandi people who are vikarmasthana. So pashandadayaha sarve veda viruddhaha eva. So all of these people are totally against Vedas here. So bhrashtaha swadharmat pashandaha. Vikarmastaha is a person who does nishiddha karma. So pashanda is a person who has slipped away from his dharma. Vikarmasthana is a person who has who does in the actions nishiddha karma. And then yasya dharmadvajaha nityam suradvajaha iva uchritaha prachannani cha papani vaidalam nama tadvratam. So vaidala vratikaha are those people who do prachanna papam, prachanna papa karma krit. So one who does papam, adhaadu velivesham podrava, those who show off that they do everything properly according to the religion, according to Vedas etc., but then they go behind bars and do papam. That is called vaidala vratam. Shathan, so this is priyam vakti puraha anyatra vipriyam kurute bhrisham tyakta uparodha cheshtaha shataha. This is tyakta uparodha cheshtaha shataha, one who is completely who stops others and who is bent upon stopping others also from doing good job. That is a shatha. So pashandi vikarmastha vaidalavratika shatha. Hetuka, haitukam is sandeha krit hetubihi satkarmasu sahaituka. So haitukaha are those who are always constantly doubting what they are doing. Am I doing properly? Will this action give me the correct result that is being said? Is this correct? Constantly doubting every action that you are doing is a sahetuka. Vaka vritti is a person who is மற்றவாளை வந்து preying on others is a பகவிருத்தி. மித்யாவாதி, அதுதான் பகவிருத்தி. மித்யா வினீதா, நோ மித்யா வினீதா, someone who shows off as humble, you know very well that he is a show person, no, that is a vakavritti. Bakaha nama இந்த ஸ்டோர்க்கும்பா wolfல அது என்ன அந்த நார
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 ஒத்த கால்ல நிக்கும்பா.
ஆமா கிரேன், கிரேனோ இல்லைன்னா இப்போ இது ஸ்டோர்க்கு
மீனோட உருமீன் வருமளவும் அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுவாளே, அது கொக்கு தான். அதுவும்
கொக்கு. ஸோ மித்யாவிருத்தி, இட் அன்னெசரி, மற்றவாளை வந்து அது ஏமாத்து வேலை பண்றது. ஸோ வஞ்சகாக இத்தியர்த்தா. ஸோ ஏதான் வாங்மாத்திரேனாபி நான் அர்ச்சயேது. ஒன் ஷுட் நாட் பிரேஸ் தெம் ஈவன் வித் வேர்ட்ஸ். அதாவது வாய் வார்த்தையாக கூட நம்ம பேசக்கூடாதுங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான். दूरात् अपास्तः सम्पर्कः सः आस्याच पापिभिः. One should completely remove ourselves and not have any contact. सम्पर्कः दूरात् न कुर्यात्. अपास्तः न, one should remove ourselves from any sort of contact. सः आस्यापि पापिभिः परिवर्जयेत्. We should completely remove ourselves from all of these people. पाषण्डिभिः दुराचारैः तस्मात् ताः परिवर्जयेत्. It is not recommended to be with them or have any contact. So one should completely avoid those people. Ete nagnaha tava akhyataha drishtya shraddha upagatakaha. These people are called nagnaha. They are termed as nagna. Drishtya, by looking upon themselves, or they, if they chance upon a shraddha karma, then shraddha upagatakaha, they destroy the shraddham completely. The phalan, we do not receive the result of that shraddham. Yesham sambhashanat pumsam dinapunyam pranashyati. By conversing with such people, the punyam that we have performed in that particular day completely gets destroyed. So ete pashandinaha papaha nahi etan alapet buddha punyam nashyati sambhashat etesham taddina udbhavam. இது நிறைய ரெப்படிஷன் மாதிரி இருக்கு, அதனால தான் ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் ரஷிங் த்ரூ திஸ் பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் த சேம் திங் அகேன் அண்ட் அகேன். ஸோ வென் வி ட்ரை டு டாக் வித் தீஸ் பீப்புள், தென் த தத்தின உத்பவம் பாபம் புண்ணியம் நஷ்யதி. So we immediately, the punyam that arises on that day is completely destroyed. Pumsam jata dharana maundyavatam vrithaiva moghashinam akhila shaucha nirakritanam toyapradana pitripinda bahishkritanam sambhashanadapi nara narakam prayanti. So naraha manushyaha, people go to narakam by merely talking, sambhashanadapi, by merely talking with these people. Who are these people? By those people, with those people who jatadharana, and chumma, without vrithaiva jatadharana, without any purpose they are wearing jata. There is no purpose to there is no penance or anything which requires them to wear matted hair. So vrithaiva jatadharanam, maundyavatam vrithaiva, unnecessarily they have shaved their heads. Mogha ashinam, moghashinam, who eat unnecessarily, அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். இல்லைன்னா சும்மாவான சாப்பிட்றவா இல்லையா. மோகாஷினாம் ஆர் தோஸ் ஹூ டு நாட் ப்ரொவைட் ஃபுட் ஃபார் தி அதிதி. ஸோ மோக ஹியர், without any effort, that fruitlessly their food is being eaten. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? மோகனா futile. Ashinam, those who eat food which is futile for them. In other words, they are eating without offering deva, pitru, rishi, atiti. If you eat without offering these people first, then what you eat is of no use. Adinala moghashi nama, a person whose food intake is futile. So moghashinam akhila shaucha nirakritanam, one who is completely removed from all kinds of good conduct, shaucham. Toya pradana pitripinda bahishkritanam, those people who have been removed from the list of pitripinda danam, etc. If that is those people who have been banished from these categories, if a person has a conversation with such people, then he ultimately goes to Narakam. Okay, so with this the 18th adhyaya is over. The Tritiya Amsha is also done with this. You have to start with the 4th Amsha next class. Okay, so we'll take a break here. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayamudiraye. சரியா?
ஆக்சுவலா மோகாஷின்னு ஒரு சர்நேம் இருக்கு எங்கேயோ நார்த் இந்தியால. பார்த்த ஞாபகம் எனக்கு. ஐம் ட்ரைங் டு லுக் இட் அப்.
வேற ஏதாவது மருவி இருக்குமா இருக்கும் பேரு?
மோகாஷின்னு இருக்கு, சர்நேம் இருக்கு. ஐ ஹவ் ஹர்ட் சம்வேர்.
It could be a transferred, the transformation of some other இது
this thing.
தப்பான இதுவா இருக்கும். வேற ஏதாவது வார்த்தையோட தான் இருக்கும்.
மகோதய, இந்த ராஜகுமாரிக்கும் அந்த ராஜாக்கும் ஏஜ் டிஃபரன்ஸ் எப்படி கரெக்டா இருக்கும்? அவர் 7 ஜென்மம் வந்தான்னா he will be way too old.
No, 7 ஜென்மா இல்ல, 18 வயசு வித்தியாசம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், போனா போறது. இல்ல, ஆக்சுவலி பொண்ணுக்கு கல்யாணம் பண்றதுங்கிறது எப்படின்னா, அவ சின்ன வயசுல பண்ணிடுவா இல்லையா? சோ அந்த பொண்ணுக்கு 10 வயசுன்னு வச்சுண்டா கூட the man took on a ஜன்மா, அது ஒரு நாய் ஜன்மம்ங்கிறது ஒரு few days அவ்வளவுதான். அடுத்த ஜன்மா is another few days or maybe 1 year. Every janma is 1 year. Let's take it as 6 janmas. Each janma is a year. அப்படின்னு எடுத்துட்டோம்னா it is only 6 years. She would just be 16. And she will be older. Definitely she will be older than him. But that doesn't, அந்த மாதிரி ரூலே கிடையாது.
கல்பா டிஃபரன்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும் வச்சுக்கோங்களேன்.
அதையும் வச்சுக்கோங்க, கல்ப பேதங்கள். இப்ப பல்ராமரோட வைஃப் ரேவதி பல ஜென்மங்களுக்கு she is much much older than, thousands of years older than பல்ராமா.
ஆடியோ இது வீடியோ க்ளோஸ் இல்லையா மகோதயா? ஒரு ஜோக் சொல்றதுக்காக கேக்குறேன்.
சொல்றேன், வரேன். So I just wanted to point out that Revati, who is Balrama's wife, she went to Brahmalokam, and when she came back, பல ஜென்மங்கள் போயிடுது அந்த இடத்துல இல்லையா? So then அவனுடைய ஹல அந்த பிளவுல she placed her foot and immediately she was reduced. அது வரைக்கும் she was a giant size. She immediately reduced to a normal size and she married Balrama. So அதனால கிருத யுகத்திலிருந்து துவாபர யுகம். Imagine the number of years that passed. க்ஷணேன இல்லையா? அதுதான்.